Hello, my name is Jeff Cherosao. I'm from SK Now Plagan Cafe. Today, I want to talk about the models of our world. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about a very important group of people called engineers. They are the leaders of our world. Engineers use their skill to design and create anything that we use every day. They plan and build pictures and building. Their structures make our life easier and safer. Engineers also help us stay healthy. They design and build hospital, water treatment plant, and other important facilities. They also even use mechanical tools and machines. But not all engineers create amazing technologies like computers, smartphones, and cars. This invention make our life comfortable and convenient. Engineers play a vital role in our community. They use their knowledge and creativity to make our world a better place. So the next time you see a toy building a long bridge or new gadget, remember that an engineer had to make it possible. Thank you.